Go ahead.
Huh?
Bryce is a genius. Now we should get a real job in the real world and do something that pays.
This is our dog eating from a fork. You think he is partially human.
Dead ass too. That's so scary. I just fed her my whole thing of oranges.
Oh, come on.
Howie, yeah, I'm amazed with you on so many different levels. The amount of focus that you have and the time that you put in to create this extravaganza is amazing. And then your effusive energy and excitement is
He is
contagious.
so serious. He would drink his
It
juice.
really is amazing. You should have
It's
a pep
gone.
rally.
You
I
want the
think it's fair to
juice?
say, Howie, he has charisma to spare, and that's what I like about him. You know, Sprice, I don't know if you're
Wait a
going
minute.
to get the votes of America
Marlo.
because as fun as this is to watch, and the precision is nuts. If one little thing goes wrong, we know you're in trouble. But at the end of the day, does it really turn us on to push you through to the floor? I think maybe it's more for computer.
He's done.
Okay, all right.
You're done. It's all gone.
No, I'm the geek.
Oh, okay. I was about to stick up for my man. Sprice ain't no geek.
You two are nerds, I'm a geek.
Yeah.
Compliment.
Sprice is gangster. Heidi.